Hello friends, I am Mohit Tejpal from Tamron, India. I am a travel and landscape photographer based in Delhi, and this is a review video on Tamron's 70 to 210 mm DI-VC USD lens. Friends, I have been testing this lens from 2 to 3 weeks, and the first one about this lens that this lens is very compact and really impressive. Due to its focal range, it is highly suitable for photojournalism, portrait, landscape and event photography. Friends, as a travel photographer, I found this lens really handy and easy to use. Generally, as photographers, we try to keep less of equipments while traveling to make our journey more comfortable. This lens is a boon to travel photographers who like to shoot subjects from a long range of distance. This lens allows the photographer to shoot subjects which are situated far away, for example a mountain peak to an iconic structure. Now talking about the image quality of this lens, the image quality has impressed me a lot. Friends, generally there are certain terms which represents the image quality of a particular lens, which is focusing, sharpness, contrast, distortion and chromatic aberration. Let me take you through some of the pictures which would help you to understand better about the image quality of this lens. So friends, as you can see in this image, I captured this image with ambient light with the focal length of 210 mm at f4 handheld, and I was really amazed to see the result that this lens produced. This image was really sharp. This lens has USD ring type motor which is ultrasonic silent drive, and it makes the focusing really fast. Adding up to this, the lens comes with 4-stop VC vibration compensation. The 4-stop performance of this lens allows to control the vibration that usually occurs in low light and allows you to have shake-free and sharper images while shooting in low light. Coming up to the second image, this image shows you the kind of contrast this lens produces. Friends, while talking about the term contrast, I would like to explain that contrast is the difference between two values, basically blacks and whites. Particularly in this shot, again I shot this in low light situation without any external light source, and as you can see, this lens has produced superb micro contrast. What micro contrast exactly is? Micro contrast refers to higher tonal variation between the neighboring pixels. Talking about its general specifications, this lens is made for DI series of cameras. DI means digitally integrated systems, that is full frame camera DSLRs. Plus this lens can be used on APS-C camera bodies, but the focal length will increase according to the crop factor. This lens has f4 aperture which is constant throughout the focal length of 70 to 210 mm. As I told you earlier, this lens is lightweight and very compact, weighs 850 gram for Nikon and 860 gram for Canon. It has a 67 mm of filter size. This lens optics are aligned in 20 elements in 14 groups. Talking about its durability, lens is moisture resistant and is fluorine coated, which prevents it from smudges and keeps it clean. Friends, after testing this lens, I would like to say that this lens renders tack sharp images while maintaining details in the image. Plus, I hardly noticed any kind of aberration and fringing. In the end of this video, you would be seeing some of the images captured by me, and you can self-judge the type of sharpness, contrast and other elements that are rendered by the lens. Thank you friends. This is Mohit Tejpal from Tamron Lenses. Keep shooting.